This is a 1988 Toyota pickup EFI extra cab in mint condition, completely restored, recently painted, no rust, bedliner. The engine has been completely rebuilt, so the engine is almost brand new. A lot of work has been done in the engine, and I can actually show you the receipts from the work that was actually done. All that is available. Okay, here we go. This is the work that has been done on it. I want to show you the engine. Got a new cylinder head job. The timing chain has been replaced, the TPS sensor, water pump, the radiator, the hoses, radio fan assembly, the cylinder head gasket, timing chain kit. It's got a brand new radiator. It also has, of course, the pipe for the water hose, thermostat. I think it's even got a new water pump. So everything has been changed on this. Interior has been completely restored. Got 179,000, almost there. Everything's original, the exception of the radio. It's face pull. Seats in perfect condition. Brand new carpet. As I said, all the tires are in great shape. Those are tires that are about $230 each. All-terrain TA SPF Goodrich. Tires are still with the pegs in them, almost 100%. The brakes have been done. Here's the work that has been done. I'm reading off of the list here. The front loaded calipers, the front and back rotors, the master cylinder, the rear wheel cylinders, and the brake shoes, and the front wheel seals. So you gotta, this was a $900 job. I want to show you there's no rust anywhere. As I said, no rust at all. Here. New muffler, no rust anywhere. Again, the tires are in great shape. Bedliner is a Superliner. It's by a company called Superliner, and had it for a long time. That thing is real tough. You can carry just about anything in it. and it won't come off. I had this this one here, this box in the back, actually custom made to fit this particular truck. Overall is in mint shape.